Hi, welcome to Our Home Naturally. We are enjoying a beautiful Sabbath day. It's about 75 degrees outside, and we decided that we were going to go check out the Nature Center. So we are at the Red Oak Nature Center in Batavia, Illinois, and they have renovated everything, and the children are really loving it here. Right now, Caroline is looking at just about everything here.
Look at this one. That one is. Look at that one. Let's see what it is.
Wild things. They have
And then you're gonna smell mud.
a little area here where you can pretend you're a bird.
This mud. You can smell this.
And here's the noises. It's making some noises.
These are easy. You have to feel.
Caroline, what do you see? Terrible. Hi.
These are not real animals, but you feel it, okay? Then I open and see what it is. Squirrel.
There's Lucy the rabbit. Hi, Lucy. How are you doing, Lucy? He's resting. Lucy's resting.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And this. Oh. The last one. I could not do that. Okay. Oh, the skunk.
Yeah.
The boogie board. This is the boogie board. Would you like to make a snowflake? No, I'm going to make one. You need to take a glowing snake.
Olivia, what do you have?
These are many snakes. I take this board and I draw something. I'm going to draw a square or a rectangle. And then I'm going to take it here and I'm going to put it 6 feet of green. It's going to make a snowflake.
Oh, it is?
Like in there.
Oh, look at that. So you made yourself a snowflake. And over here,
Mom, Aunt Linda's tied up. She's in there.
and Aunt Linda, she's coming through with
Glowing
Caroline.
snake. Let's go. That's
Yeah,
a glowing
Jenna.
snake. Look up above you. Come on, Caroline. Above you there's a fish.
Here we go. Here we go. She's Caroline's right.
Oh, is she coming?
I think she likes it.
Are you coming, Caroline?
And yeah.
Yay! Mommy. Now we're at the Lippold Park, right down the road, about half a mile from the Red Oak Nature Center, and we are enjoying this little nature playground park. And there's Caroline and Olivia sitting by Aunt Linda. Can you say hi to people, Caroline? Hi. Can you say hi, Olivia?
Hi.
And this is really a cute little place. It's really trying to imitate natural living, maybe life in the old days with the hut and different things to play with. A trail to walk down. There's some butterflies over here. We saw some butterflies. I don't see them now. And there's Nick taking a little break. And then they have things to climb on and a bridge.
This is good. Is this cool, guys?